Innovative College of Professional Studies Private Limited is offering UKQ Level 4 Diploma in Project Management. This qualification is designed for anyone working in a project team environment or engineers who see an increasing management component in their work. It will equip you with general project management skills to help you to deal with problems that can occur. It's applicable to any field of work, including those with a high technological content. It is also suitable for beginners to project management as a course. Project management courses are designed to reflect the work of individuals across a wide range of industries and types of organizations. They are competence-based qualifications designed against the most up-to-date business practice and theory. Through Coventry and Warwickshire Chamber training, you will be able to formally assess and recognize your knowledge and understanding and enhance your performance in the workplace. This high-level course is designed to provide structured career development for project managers. Project communications. Managing project scope. Implementing project schedules. Managing project finances. Understanding project risk. Risk management. Planning and estimating. Managing project quality. Handling project resources. Managing project contracts. This course opens a new door for you to enter the relevant job market and also gives you the opportunity to acquire extensive knowledge along with required skills to become successful in no time. You will be able to stand out in the crowd after completing this course. You will also be able to add our qualifications to your resume and make yourself worthy in the competitive job industry. United Kingdom Qualifications, UKQ, Limited will work to become the awarding body of choice for all education and especially in occupational health and safety at all levels. To promote education in every field of life and to support professional education, training, and strong employment skills. United Kingdom Qualifications, UKQ, Limited values guide our actions through our work. Performance. We strive to succeed in all our endeavors and deliver excellence through education. Partnership. We work in collaboration to be innovative and find solutions to shared issues. Be open and honest at all times. Professionalism. We remain objective and professional at all times, acting with integrity in an ethical way, treating everyone with respect. Passion. We are passionate in all endeavors, working and communicating for the benefit of our stakeholders. The qualification is designed to be flexible in its delivery to accommodate part-time and distance learning. The qualification is delivered face-to-face, through lectures, tutorials, seminars, distance, online by approved centers only. All units within this qualification are internally assessed by the center and externally verified by UKQ. The qualifications are criterion referenced, based on the achievement of all the specified learning outcomes. Learners must complete all units and pass the appropriate mark to receive the full diploma award. UKQ will issue certificates to all successful students through the registered centers. It is based on the average percentage mark, APM, or, at the discretion of UKQ, on the basis of your overall profile and performance subject to the minimum requirements. For detailed information, contact us on +9 2336 590 9194 or email at info@icpstudies.com.pk and visit our website www.icpstudies.com.pk.